Hello friends, this is Gaurav Gupta, your life and business success strategist. Welcome to the Daily Snippet series. Our association today is 70 plus videos strong, and I thank you all for being with me in this journey. This series I plan to have 100 videos, and then I'll be starting a couple of more series. I've received a lot of emails, a lot of appreciation from all of you, so thank you so much for your support. In my new series, I plan to share with you daily motivations. I want to talk to you about people who are really successful and about the books that I have read over a period of last 20 years of my life, and share with you how I have been successful using these principles. So if you have any particular books in mind, any particular people you want to talk about, or any particular ideas you want me to discuss, do write to me on my email, or in the comment box you can leave your comments, and I'll make sure that shortly I get back to you with all those videos. This video is very important, so do watch it till the end. In today's video, I give you a powerful perspective on how you can change your life. If you've not subscribed to my channel so far, do that, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can stay notified of all the new videos, all the new ideas that I share with my viewers. If you've liked my series and my channel, do share it with your friends, family and networks so that everybody can stay motivated and pepped up. Once upon a time, there was a man who was a firm believer in God. Whatever he used to wish from God, nearly all his wishes were granted to him. So his belief was that whatever I'll ask from God, whatever I'll wish from God, it will be granted to me. Once he heard from his friends that the surest and the shortest way to become rich is to win a lottery. So he set his mind on winning a lottery. Every single day he would go to the church and pray to God. God, I want to win a lottery. You are almighty. What's impossible for you? Please make me win a lottery. He continued this for a few weeks, a few months, but nothing happened. But he was so strong in his belief, his faith was unshakable. So he kept on keeping on. And every single day he would go to the church and have the same prayer, same request. God, I want to win a lottery. What is not possible for you? Please make me a lottery winner. He continued it for 6 months. Nothing happened. That's when his faith started shaking a bit. But he did not give up still. He continued and kept on asking the same thing every single day. And after a year, he's finally had it. He could not win a lottery for a complete year. And that's when he'd had it. One fine day, he stormed inside the church and shouted on God, God, I've been asking you for a lottery win for a year now. Can't you do that? To his surprise, a voice came back, and the voice was equally loud. God damn it, at least go and buy a lottery ticket. Interesting anecdote that reveals a very important aspect or trait of our own personalities. We all are just like that person in this anecdote. We want to win lotteries, but we forget that in order to win lotteries, we have to buy the tickets as well. We want to have a lot of things in our lives. We want stronger and better relationships. We want more success, more fame, more money. We want to be the rich and famous. We want to be amongst celebrities. We want to have a lot of things in our life. But we always forget that in order to reach where you are, you have to buy that lottery ticket. You have to take that effort. If you want stronger relationships, you have to be the one who has to go and invest in those relationships. If you want a better income, if you want better business success, you have to create those systems, those processes, and invest yourself, which is the equivalent of buying that ticket. If you want success in your profession, you are the one who has to add the value that you're adding to your customers, to your team members, peers, and your employer. If you want better health, you are the one who has to take that effort of going to the gym, exercising, following a diet. It's all equivalent to buying that ticket. Remember, in life, we do not get what we want. We get what we are. The simple fundamental or sequence for success is do, be, have. You have to do the things that you should be doing. You have to be the person that you should be becoming in order to have the things that you want. It's that simple sequence. If you stick to that sequence, your chances of becoming successful will be much more stronger. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, keep rocking, and have a wonderful time. And if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, do that. And if you like this video and my channel and series, do share it with your friends, families, and network. Stay safe, stay blessed, keep rocking. Thank you.